Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for June 18th, 2011. Okay, quite the volatile week we had. We had a lot of reversals. We had a decent gap up on one day and then another gap down on the next day. And so, a lot of whipsaws, a lot of choppiness that's going around. Currently, the market is facing some oversold conditions that it's trying to work out. You can see how it's trying to build some kind of a base here. Logically, if we put on the 200-day moving average, the market is just above its 200-day moving average. Actually, if you look at SPX, the actual index, it is right there. So we could face a logical bounce simply because it's at the 200-day moving average. But if it breaks below there, then I have a feeling there's more selling to come if it breaks that 200-day. If we do get some kind of oversold bounce, probably to this 20-day moving average here, or at least back to 130, at least for the first target. That 130 has been some critical pivot points for this market. So I would say around there would be a decent level to aim for as far as a bounce here. Something interesting that I want to note is the VIX has shot up. Recently the VIX has been rather flat, even though the market was moving lower. But yesterday we had a huge shot up in the VIX, despite the fact that the market pretty much stayed relatively flat. So that was interesting. Usually you don't see that a whole lot. Could be a panic selling at an extreme. So we might potentially see some type of a near-term bottom simply because of this spike in the VIX here. But we won't know until we get the actual bounce, probably back above 128. If not more. I would say probably to close this gap, then there's a good chance we can probably head back to 130. Now, as far as trading, here on our website we recommend trade alerts. We actually have one active trade going for us, and that's for McDonald's MCD, which we got triggered on Friday. So it was a nice base breakout from this little base right here, and it broke out on Friday. So I would say that's probably the only thing that we have going for us as far as trades. We don't really want to short just yet, simply because, like I mentioned, the market's a bit oversold. So that bounce can come anytime soon, and you don't want to get caught holding shorts when you have a market relief rally. So for the time being, we're just holding that, keeping things really light, keeping things very, very conservative right now.